In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order Zara Customized Bag 2026 step by step. Start by heading to Zara.com or opening the Zara mobile app. As soon as it loads, select your country or region so pricing, stock, and shipping options match your location. If you see a highlighted prompt that says select your location, tap it and confirm the correct market. This avoids surprises later at checkout and ensures you can access any personalization options available in your area. Next, navigate to the Bags section. Choose the collection you're shopping in, women, men, or kids, then tap Bags. As you browse, keep an eye out for items labeled personalized, customized, or monogram available. Not every bag offers customization, so those labels are your shortcut to eligible products. If you don't see the tag on the product card, open the product page to double check. Sometimes the option appears there. Once you've found a customizable bag you love, open its product page and look for the Personalize button. Tap it to start setting up your monogram. Typically, you can enter 1 to 3 letters for initials, choose a font style, and if it's offered for that item, select a thread color. Use the preview tool to see how your letters will appear on the bag. Take a moment to check letter order, capitalization, and spacing. Keep in mind that special characters and emojis usually aren't supported, and contrast matters. Lighter thread can be harder to see on a pale bag, and vice versa. When you're happy with the design, confirm your customization details and make sure you've also selected the correct bag color and size if multiple options are available. Then click Add to Bag. Open your cart to review everything carefully. Double check the initials, font, and thread color, as well as quantity and price. Customized items are generally final sale and cannot be returned, so it's worth pausing here to make sure it's perfect. Proceed to checkout by entering your shipping address and choosing your delivery method. Standard, express, or pickup options may vary by region. Select your payment method, such as a credit or debit card or PayPal if it's available where you are. Review the order summary, including shipping fees and taxes, then click Place Order. You should receive an order confirmation once everything goes through. Finally, allow extra time for processing. Customized bags are made to order and require embroidery or printing, which can extend the timeline slightly before shipping begins. Watch for updates in your account or confirmation emails and enjoy your one-of-a-kind Zara bag when it arrives.